Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fitbit Charge 6. To begin, ensure your device is fully charged. Press and hold the side button for 3 seconds to power it on. Next, open the Fitbit app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your Charge 6. Once connected, swipe up, down, left, or right on the touchscreen to navigate through menus and access your daily stats. It's a straightforward process to get started. Your Charge 6 is a powerful health tracker. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing real-time data throughout the day and night. You can view your steps taken, distance covered, and calories burned directly on the device. Swipe to find your sleep score, which offers insights into your sleep quality. To start an exercise, swipe left or right to find the exercise app, tap it, and choose from over 20 different modes, like running or swimming. Stay connected with your Charge 6. When paired with your phone, you'll receive call, text, and app notifications directly on your wrist. You can quickly respond to messages with preset replies if you have an Android phone. Plus, with Google Wallet, you can make contactless payments with a tap. Google Maps integration provides turn-by-turn directions right on your wrist, making navigation incredibly convenient. It truly brings essential smart features to your everyday life. To maximize your Fitbit Charge 6 experience, proper care is key. The device boasts up to 7 days of battery life, but this can vary with usage. Charge it fully using the included magnetic charger, which takes about 2 hours. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming, but remember to dry it thoroughly afterward. Regularly clean the band and sensor with a soft, damp cloth to prevent skin irritation and ensure accurate readings. Enjoy your Charge 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.